Good morning everyone and welcome to Kotak's morning call. On Monday, we saw a spectacular rally in the market on the back of results from the exit polls. And the market managed to surpass the level of 23,150, which was its highest level, and we reached the levels of 23,350, 400 sort of levels during the day in the first half. In fact, from there all the way we saw the correction up to 23,000, but eventually the market recovered back. So while looking at the setup of the Nifty 50, we are of the view that the markets are going to consolidate between these levels, and about 23,400, the next level will be around 23,800 to 24,000. For that we need a decisive breakout of 23,400. In case if we see the market is opening above the levels of 23,400, then it is better to wait for some time, let the market react to the levels of at least 23,300, which was its previous closing, I mean to say yesterday's closing, and then we could see further more activity in the market. But otherwise 23,800 going to act as major resistance for the market. About 23,800, the chances of hitting 24,000 would turn bright, but our advice is to take profit on long positions between 23,800 to 24,000 levels. On the downside, 23,000 is going to act as major support for the market, and below that the Nifty can even fall up to 22,800. For Bank Nifty, there also 50,500 is going to act as support. Below that it can fall up to 50,300, but while looking at the entire setup of all the private banks as well as PSU banks, we are of the view that the Bank Nifty is heading higher towards the levels of 52,000. So there also the setup is better. For Nifty metal and mining stocks, it is like showing some complete reversal formation. So there we need to focus on stocks like JSW Steel, Tata Steel as well as Jindal Steel and Power. We also like Nalco. Apart from that, from the real estate space, eventually we saw some specific buying interest in DLF, on which we were bullish since the last few weeks. But on the day of broader recovery in the market, we saw DLF was absorbing its selling pressure, which was there since the last almost 2 months. So DLF is also showing lot of strength. There we could see some further more activity. For BFSI, as we mentioned, we like BSUs, we like private, so all the stocks should be on the watch list. From the auto space, Tata Motors as well as Ashok Leyland and Mahindra should be on the watch list. And finally, for IT companies, it is still better to stay away from taking any position in the short term. With a medium to long term view, certainly large cap companies going to do well. Bond yield in the US is now at 4.39, and Brent crude is now at $78 per barrel, which will help oil and refinery companies. So there BPCL, IOC and Reliance Industries should be on the focus list. That's all from my side. With this, I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening me. Have a great day to all of you.